Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to Real Speaking Pod. I am your host, Jack, and today I am going to share a warm and useful English practice with you. Our topic is a small act of kindness. This topic is simple, but it can touch the heart. Kindness can change a day, a conversation, and even the way we see people. Take a slow breath. Relax your shoulders. Now let us begin together. A small act of kindness is a little good thing we do for another person. Kindness means treating people with care, respect, and warmth. An act means something you do. A small act of kindness can be a smile, a helpful word, a thank you, a glass of water, holding a door, carrying a bag, listening to someone, or saying, "Are you okay?" It does not need to be expensive. It does not need to be famous. It only needs a caring heart. Today, we will practice English about kindness in everyday life. We will learn words for helping, listening, sharing, encouraging, thanking, and noticing people. Encourage means give someone hope or confidence. Notice means see or understand something. It is personal, easy to understand, and full of useful sentences. When you can talk about kindness, your English sounds warmer. Let us begin with one simple sentence. I did a small act of kindness today. Repeat it slowly. I did a small act of kindness today. You can also say, I helped someone today. I was kind to someone. I gave someone a hand. Give someone a hand means help someone. I listened to my friend. I shared my food. I said something kind. These sentences are simple, but they describe real life clearly. Clear English is better than complicated English. Complicated means difficult with many parts. Practice these kindness sentences. I helped my neighbor. I held the door for someone. I smiled at a stranger. A stranger is someone you do not know. I thanked the shopkeeper. A shopkeeper is a person who works in or owns a shop. I carried a heavy bag. I gave my seat to an older person. I listened to a friend. I said, "You are doing well." These sentences are useful for daily speaking. Now, let us imagine a learner named Daniel. Daniel is a quiet person. Quiet means he does not speak too much. He goes to work, studies English, helps his family, and tries to live a good life. One morning, Daniel wakes up a little tired. The weather is gray. His room is cold. He does not feel excited. Excited means happy and full of energy. He makes tea, eats a small breakfast, and leaves home. He thinks it will be a normal day. On the way to work, Daniel sees an old man standing near the street. The old man is holding two heavy bags. He looks tired and confused. Confused means not clear or not sure what to do. People are walking past him quickly. Daniel is also in a hurry. Hurry means moving quickly because you do not have much time. For one moment, Daniel thinks, I should keep walking. I do not want to be late, but then he stops. Daniel walks to the old man and says, "Excuse me, do you need help?" The old man looks at him and smiles with relief. Relief means a good feeling after worry becomes smaller. He says, "Yes, please. These bags are heavy, and I need to cross the street." Daniel takes one bag and walks beside him. Beside means next to. They cross the street slowly. The old man says, "Thank you, young man. That was very kind of you." This moment is small. It takes only 2 minutes. Daniel does not make a big speech. He does not post it online. He does not tell everyone. But inside his heart, something changes. He feels warmer. Warmer here means kinder and happier inside. He realizes that helping someone can also help your own heart. Realize means understand something clearly. A small act of kindness can make two people feel better. The person who receives kindness and the person who gives it. Practice. Now let us talk about the word thoughtful. Thoughtful means kind because you think about another person's needs. A thoughtful person notices small things. Maybe a friend is quiet, so you ask, "Are you okay?" Maybe a coworker is busy, so you say, "Can I help with this task?" A task is a thing you need to do. Maybe your mother is tired, so you wash the dishes. Dishes are plates, cups, and bowls after eating. Thoughtful kindness often happens in small actions. Practice thoughtful sentences. I noticed that my friend was sad. I asked if he was okay. I noticed that my mother was tired. I helped with the dishes. I noticed that my coworker was busy. I offered help. Offer means give someone a chance to receive something. I noticed that someone looked lost. I gave directions. These sentences show how kindness begins with noticing. If we do not notice people, we may miss chances to help. Now, let us talk about kindness at home. Home is one of the best places to practice kindness. Sometimes we are polite to strangers but impatient with family. Impatient means not calm when waiting or dealing with someone. At home, kindness can mean speaking gently, helping with housework, listening without interrupting, and saying thank you. Interrupt means stop someone while they are speaking. You can say, "Thank you for cooking. Thank you for helping me. Let me wash the dishes today. Please rest. I will do it." Daniel remembers this lesson in the evening. When he comes home, his mother looks tired. She has cooked dinner and cleaned the kitchen. Daniel could sit down and check his phone, but he remembers the old man from the morning. He says, "Mother, please sit and rest. I will wash the dishes." His mother smiles and says, "Thank you, Daniel." He washes the plates, cups, and spoons. It is not difficult, but it means something. Practice home kindness sentences. I will help you. Please sit down. I will wash the dishes. I will make tea. I will clean the table. Thank you for cooking. Thank you for your help. You worked hard today. Please take a rest. These sentences are simple, but they can make home warmer. A kind home is not perfect. Perfect means without mistakes. A kind home is a place where people try to care for each other. Now, let us talk about kind words. Kindness is not only action, it is also language. A kind sentence can give someone confidence. Confidence means believing you can try. You can say, "You are doing well." "I believe in you. Do not give up. You can try again. I am proud of you. You did your best. That was a good effort." Effort means trying hard. These sentences are powerful because many people need encouragement. Practice encouragement sentences. You can do it. Keep going. You are improving. Improving means becoming better. I know it is difficult, but you are trying. I am proud of your progress. Progress means improvement. Do not worry about one mistake. Try again. These phrases are perfect for English learners too. Sometimes a learner needs one kind sentence more than one long grammar explanation. Explanation means making something clear. Now, let us imagine Daniel's friend, Sarah. Sarah is learning English, but she feels shy when she speaks. Shy means nervous around people. In class, she says a sentence and makes a mistake. Some students laugh quietly. Sarah looks down and stops speaking. Daniel notices this. After class, he says, "Sarah, your English is improving. Everyone makes mistakes. Please keep speaking." Sarah smiles and says, "Thank you. I needed to hear that." Daniel's words are a small act of kindness. He does not give money. He does not solve every problem. He gives encouragement. Sometimes, encouragement is like a small light in someone's dark moment. Dark moment means a difficult or sad time. Sarah goes home and practices again because someone believed in her. Believe in someone means think that person can succeed. This is why words matter. Matter means are important. Now, let us practice listening kindness. Listening can be one of the deepest forms of kindness. Deep means strong, serious, or meaningful. When someone talks, do not always prepare your answer. Listen. Look at the person. Let them finish. You can say, "I understand. That sounds difficult. I am sorry you are going through that." Go through means experience something difficult. I am here for you. These phrases show care. Practice listening sentences. I am listening. Take your time. Take your time means do not hurry. I understand. That sounds hard. I am sorry to hear that. Thank you for telling me. I am here for you. Do you want advice, or do you just want me to listen? Advice means ideas about what someone should do. This last question is very useful because sometimes people do not need advice. They only need someone to listen. Now let us talk about kindness in public places. Public places are places where many people go, like streets, buses, shops, parks, offices, and schools. In public, kindness can be very small. Let someone go first. Give your seat to someone who needs it. Speak politely to workers. Do not shout. Pick up something someone dropped. Drop means let something fall. Say thank you to the driver. Smile at a tired cashier. A cashier is a person who takes payment in a shop. Practice public kindness sentences. Please, you can go first. Here, you can take my seat. Excuse me, you dropped this. Thank you for your help. Have a nice day. I appreciate your work. Appreciate means feel thankful for something. These phrases are easy, but they can make public life kinder. Many workers hear complaints all day. Complaint means words that show you are unhappy about something. A kind thank you can feel very special. Now let us talk about kindness and time. Sometimes kindness takes time. Maybe you stop for 2 minutes to help someone. Maybe you spend 10 minutes listening to a friend. Maybe you visit a sick relative. Sick means ill or not healthy. Maybe you help a child with homework. These things may slow you down, but they can create connection. Connection means a link between people. Time is one of the most valuable gifts we can give. Daniel learns this on the weekend. His younger cousin needs help with English homework. Daniel wants to relax, but his cousin looks worried. Daniel says, "Okay, let us do it together for 20 minutes." They sit at the table. Daniel explains simple words and asks his cousin to repeat. After 20 minutes, the cousin understands better and smiles. Daniel also feels happy. He gave time, and the time became meaningful. Now let us build kindness vocabulary. Help, share, listen, smile, encourage, thank, respect, support, forgive, notice, offer, care. Support means help someone emotionally or practically. Forgive means stop being angry about someone's mistake. Care means think about someone's needs and feelings. These words are simple, but they are strong. You can use them to talk about relationships, family, work, school, and daily life. Practice vocabulary sentences. I help my family, I share my food, I listen to my friend, I smile at people, I encourage my classmates, I thank workers, I respect older people. I support my brother. I forgive small mistakes. I notice when someone is sad. I offer help. I care about others. These sentences are excellent for beginner and intermediate practice. They are short, clear, and useful. Now, let us talk about receiving kindness. Receiving means getting something from someone. Sometimes we give kindness, and sometimes we receive it. If someone helps you, say thank you. I really appreciate it. That was very kind of you. You helped me a lot. I will remember this. These phrases show gratitude. Gratitude means thankfulness. Do not be silent when someone helps you. A sincere thank you completes the moment. Sincere means real and honest. Practice gratitude sentences. Thank you very much. I really appreciate your help. That means a lot to me. You are very kind. Thank you for listening. Thank you for your time. I will not forget this. These sentences can make the helper feel valued. Valued means important. Kindness grows when people notice it and say thank you. A thank you is also a small act of kindness. Now let us talk about kindness to yourself. This is important. Some people are kind to others but very hard on themselves. They say, I am not good enough. I always make mistakes. My English is terrible. Terrible means very bad. But learning needs patience. Patience means the ability to stay calm while something takes time. Be kind to yourself. Say, I am learning. I am improving. I made a mistake, but I can try again. I deserve respect too. Deserve means should have. Practice self-kindness sentences. I will be patient with myself. I do not need to be perfect. I can learn slowly. I can make mistakes and continue. I am doing my best. I will speak to myself kindly. I deserve rest. I deserve encouragement. These sentences are powerful for English learning and life. If your inner voice is kind, your learning becomes easier. Inner voice means the way you talk to yourself in your mind. Now let us build your small act of kindness sentence bank. I helped someone today. I gave someone a hand. I listened to my friend. I said a kind word. I thanked a worker. I shared my food. I carried a heavy bag. I gave my seat to someone. I encouraged a classmate. I helped at home. I was patient. I tried to be kind. These sentences are useful for speaking about daily kindness. Now practice questions and answers. What is kindness? Kindness means treating people with care and respect. What is a small act of kindness? A small act of kindness is a little good thing we do for someone. Did you help anyone today? Yes, I helped my mother at home. What did you do? I washed the dishes and made tea. How did you feel? I felt happy and peaceful. Why is kindness important? It makes life warmer and better. Practice more answers. Who was kind to you recently? My friend listened to me. How did you thank them? I said, thank you. I really appreciate it. How can you be kind at work? I can help a coworker and speak politely. How can you be kind in public? I can give my seat to someone who needs it. How can you be kind to yourself? I can rest, learn slowly, and forgive my mistakes. Now let us practice a short speech. Repeat after me. Today I did a small act of kindness. I saw someone who needed help, so I stopped and asked, "Do you need help?" It only took a few minutes, but it made the person smile. I felt happy because kindness does not need to be big. A small, helpful action can change someone's day. I want to be more thoughtful and notice people around me. You can change this speech for your own life. Say, I helped my brother with homework. I listened to my friend. I thanked the bus driver. I gave my seat to an older person. I smiled at a stranger. I helped my mother in the kitchen. I shared my lunch. Make the speech true for you. Real English is easier when it connects to real life. Now let us do final speaking practice. Answer these questions aloud. What small act of kindness did you do recently? Who helped you recently? How did you feel when someone was kind to you? How can you be kind at home? How can you be kind at work or school? What kind words can you say to someone today? Pause when you need time. Answer simply. I helped. I listened. I thanked. I encouraged. One helpful practice is the kindness journal. A journal is a place where you write your thoughts. Write 3 sentences every night. Today, I helped someone. Today, someone helped me. Tomorrow, I will try one small act of kindness. This practice improves your English and your heart. It helps you notice good moments. Good moments become easier to see when you write them down. Remember, a small act of kindness does not need a lot of money, time, or power. It can be a smile, a thank you, a helping hand, a patient answer, a quiet moment of listening, or a kind word at the right time. Right time means the moment when something is needed. Kindness makes relationships stronger. It makes homes warmer. It makes public places softer. It makes learning more hopeful. Hopeful means full of hope. Before we finish, remember this. A small act of kindness may look small from the outside, but it can feel very big in someone's heart. Thank you for listening to Real Speaking Pod. I am Jack, and I am proud of you for practicing today. Keep listening, keep repeating, and keep learning English from everyday life. Your English voice is growing, one kind word, one helping hand, and one thoughtful action at a time.